Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your BIGME HiBreak Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons. So here on the right side, we will have the side buttons. Here we can basically and essentially change the volume. So now after changing the volume, what you guys can do is try to change the call volume in the settings. So it's available in this phone, so press the volume button. Now click on the gear icon here. And now as you guys can see, make sure that your phone is here at the call section. And here you'll be able to adjust it. So the lowest is 0 and the max is 7. I recommend setting it higher than 5, so I go all the way to the right. And now what you guys can do is disable the Bluetooth devices. So go to settings, now go to Bluetooth, and we basically disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices, so like your car, anything. And now after that, what you guys can do is clean the earpiece with a soft brush. So make sure that you keep your earpiece clean. It's right here, it's very much visible. And after you clean it, everything should be good and you can test it with another call or nap. So what you guys can do next is basically restart the phone. So you need to hold the power button, it's right here, so it's the red one. Now keep on holding it and now click on reboot. Now the phone is restarting, so I'll see you guys once the phone restarts. Now after the phone restart, you guys can test it with the phone call and check if it works. It should be working, but if not, then it might be the hardware issue, and I would recommend getting your phone to the service center and get it checked out by a professional. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.